Sabaha everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I have for you my review of the defense line of cases from X-doria. These cases look great, they're very sturdy, they have very good drop rating, but not only that, they have a really cool feature that turns your bottom firing speaker on your S9 or S9 Plus into a front-facing speaker. So that's definitely unique on its own. I want to say thank you very much to X-doria for not only providing me these cases, but as well as sponsoring this video, but that the opinions that I'm sharing with you guys in this video are of my own actual usage of this device, or these cases in this situation. Let's not waste any time. I'm going to give you guys also some information at the end of the video about to give away some of these cases to you guys in the comments below. This is TK, let's check them out. I do want to mention to you guys that there is a 20% coupon that's available in the description below if you guys would like to check it out, and make sure to follow the link to their website. So the guys over at X-doria sent me 4 cases, 2 different designs, but we got 2 for the S9 Plus and 2 for the S9. This is the Defense Lux and then the Defense Shield. Both are very unique. They have some similarities in the design, but they're rated to be able to withstand up to 10 feet, 3 meter drop, military grade on concrete. And that's going to be something that's very unique to these cases, on top of the fact that they have that little trick that I mentioned to you guys at the beginning. So this one is for the S9. You'll notice again the color band here. This does have some color shifting abilities. The main thing they want us to make sure to understand is the military grade machine metal protection. That's the band that we have here on the right. And then of course the clear polycarbonate casing in the back that provides the shock absorption for the device. Certified to be able to drop up to 10 feet, 3 meters on concrete. So that's definitely very good for protecting our device. And of course the acoustic chamber that I mentioned to you guys earlier that provides us not only amplification for the sound, but makes your bottom firing speaker on your S9 and S9 Plus a front facing speaker for media consumption. We're going to start off with the Defense Lux, and here we have it. The case, as I mentioned to you guys, we do have a machined metal frame that is very thin. It almost adds no actual thickness to your device. The polycarbonate backing, very strong, but it is covered with a nice carbon fiber skin, I would say. It has some absorption, but not a lot. On the back, we have a nice soft interior that provides protection not only to the inside of the device, but as well as shock absorption. And that little actual area where I was telling you guys that it amplifies the sound and makes it a front-facing speaker is right here. And what you guys could see right there, it does actually have a little pocket right there that actually takes over where the speaker, the bottom firing speaker on the S9 and the S9 Plus is, and then just transfers it here into this little channel. You can see the coloring there. And when you have that, it just basically forces the sound from not going outwards this way, but actually going front towards us. Now, inserting our device is pretty simple. You always have to want to go one side in, the other side on the other side. I do have a glass protector. This is an X-Lambo glass protector. I did another video. I'll make sure to give you guys a link to that. But overall, if you have a glass protector, 3D or regular, that is at least case friendly, this is going to be fine. It doesn't actually protrude or hit any of it. The main thing you want to keep in mind here, obviously, is this, the design. See, exactly, it doesn't really add that much on the thickness. The carbon fiber feels really good. You can still see some of the accents of your device as far as the color, as obviously this permeates right here on the fingerprint sensor. There's a little bit of a groove right there to give us access to the back fingerprint sensor. And of course, all of that is not going to be obstructed. Power button on the right, Bixby, volume. We do have an opening here for the microphone at the top, an opening at the bottom for the 3.5mm headphone jack. Of course, we have the USB-C as well as the microphone and the missing speaker as it's actually facing upwards. Now, of course, we all want to make sure that this actually does support wireless charging, since our device does actually work with that. Let's go ahead and give it a second. And here you go. It does turn on, and we do have the wireless charging capability. Now, let's go ahead and do a quick audio sample. This is a video that I posted yesterday of my M5 tablet review.
View of the MediaPad M5. This tablet has been surprising me since the moment I unboxed it for you guys last week. The link for that will be in the description. But it offers so much and it asks so little. It's definitely a very good bang for the...
Definitely sounds a lot better than having our speaker firing downwards. Again, most of the time I always have to hold my device this way so that the sound kind of comes back to me. But at least in here, we're getting a really clear, good audio, and it's front facing. Very nice. We're going to go ahead and switch over to the Shield. Here we are. Again, same design as far as the metal band around, machined very nice and very thin. Now, what I really want to mention to you guys here, we have this little nice color shift. And you'll notice it right there as I'm tilting over. The device actually has nice little colors. If I tilt it a little bit more here, you'll notice it kind of turns darker. It just has a nice little color rainbow effect. Reminds me a lot of the P20 Pro actually, as well as some of the other devices I've seen that has nice color shifts. Now, the polycarbonate here is very strong, but it also is clear. So if you have a device that's like more pink or more blue, you're really going to be able to appreciate the color on the back. The soft rubberized casing here is still present, and that little echo chamber that we have at the bottom that makes our speaker front facing is also present right there. So let's go ahead and put in our S9 Plus. Again, I have the coral blue version. Very, very nice. Again, as long as you have a glass protector or a screen protector that's case friendly, this should not be an issue. Very nice rubberized casing. Again, we do have the name here, X-doria. Again, this is the Shield version, and it looks really nice. I actually like this a lot because of the blue tint. When it actually mirrors this way, it kind of looks like it's matching the case. And then when you tilt it a little bit higher or a different angle and it starts showing more of the purple hues, it actually does have a little bit of a better aesthetics. I think this is going to probably be my new one. Again, bottom fire speaker. Again, all of the ports are pretty much the same. Let's go ahead and try wireless charging. Make sure my wireless charger is working. Sure enough, wireless charging works beautifully.
The cases look and feel really nice. I like the aesthetics on the carbon fiber. It looks really ruggedized, and as you heard, it's actually very hard plastic in the back, so it definitely will protect your device. If you have a glass or a screen protector, this is going to work with it as long as they are basically case friendly. You should look for that in the description for those things. Other than that, I think definitely really nice with the trick of being able to convert the bottom firing speaker into a front-facing speaker. That's so unique that I don't think any other case really does it at this point for the S9 or the S9 Plus. There'll be more information in the description below, of course, for you guys to check out and find out more how to be able to get these cases. But I want to say again, thank you very much for sponsoring the video. But not only that, if you noticed in the video, I showed you guys an S9 and an S9 Plus. Now, I don't have S9 devices, so I don't have a way of using those, and I'd like to be able to share those with you guys. So if you can leave me a comment below, this is going to be for a week from the day this video goes live. And just let me know your preference first and second. And I'm going to pick 2 people at random and basically give these cases to you guys. So I'll send one to each person. This is international. There's no requirements. Again, the only thing I would ask for you guys is make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And of course, leave me a comment below. Just letting me know again your preference first and second of these 2 cases for the S9, not the S9 Plus, as I do intend to keep those 2 for me. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.